Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can actually download your statements from your Wise account. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is open your Wise account on your mobile or on your PC. For example, on my PC, I will go here and write Wise and I will open this page, and here it is open for me. So here you can register by clicking on this button. You can put here your email, then next, fill some information, next, then they will ask you for phone number. You will write it, you will receive a code. You write it in here, and then you will have a password section while you can put your password. So from there guys, you will have created your account. After that, what I will need you to do, go to login and log in to your account normally. After that, your account will be like that, empty. So you go to get started, let's go here, open personal account. You put your information that must be 100% legal, and after that they will ask you for like your verification, so like a picture of you, ID card or a passport or driving license to prove that you are a legal person. Now after you finish with all of that, how you can download your statement. So first of all, you will have here multiple currencies, so you can choose whatever currency you want to click on it. So let's go for example for euro, so you click on euros and you will have a page that looks something like that. Now what you can do in that case, basically you can just go click on euro balance, and from there you will find all of this information like add, convert, send or request and more. So we go to more, and from here we go to statement. So if we click on statement, here you can choose your balance, so it is euro. Here start date, end date, here how do you want the file to be, PDF, CSV, XML or MT940, and yeah, just like so. You click on download and you will receive your statement. So that was it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.